Let's take one more exercise in SolidWorks. This is a little complicated, but let's do it. Now, this is the single cylinder engine block. Okay. Material here written brass, cast brass. Density also mentioned. Okay. Notes all dimensions are in millimeter. Corner fillet are 0.5 unless otherwise specified. Okay. Now look, we have two isometric view and there are many views. So let's say this is, I'm going to choose as a front plane or right view or something. Let's say this is front view. This is side view. This is back view. Okay. And this is bottom view. And there is a top view. Okay, let's section view, section AA. You will see there are too many fins on this. So we took one section view for this fins. Then section B. Now we took half, this is the section B. Half of the from center, you will see here. Then section C, 15 millimeter 0.5 mm from this end. We took section and section C, this one. No, not this. Okay, this is the section C. See, then what we, section D. Section D, okay, this is going to be section D. And here, detail view E. This is going to be detail view E. Okay. So, from where we are going to start? So, we are going to start with this lower body. You will, let's see this section, half of the body, section BB. Look, we will start with this bottom body. Bottom body length 60, diameter here outer 31 diameter. Okay. Then there is a taper. You will see 26 millimeter from this end to this end. Okay. Then here you will see there is a little taper, angle 180 degree, and these angle 6 degree, 6 degree. But there is a problem. You will see this center point. This portion is bigger, this portion is smaller. While like this, you will see here there is a rib. After including this rib, this half section become bigger than this. Okay. Now, what is the diameter for this rib? Let's check. This is detail view. Now look, this rib diameter, radius 1 millimeter. Now center distance 23. Okay, this is we need to calculate. Okay, we need to calculate half portion from outside of this rib to center, because this is going to show in detail view or in section view. So 23 divided by 2 plus include this radius. Plus radius is how much? 1 millimeter. You will observe here 1 millimeter plus 1. So 12.5. Okay. Now what else we can do? Come here. Look, these half portion we calculated 12.5. This is a complicated. You must listen. This half portion we calculated from top view or detail view 12.5. So minus 21.5. Because these detailed section view includes rib. Now this upper portion is 9. This is going to be radius for this center line. 9 into 2, 18. So this is going to be diameter excluding rib. Okay, because the rib we are going to add later. 18. Fine. 6, that's fine. So we can do this. And there is a hole, 28 diameter, 30 diameter, you will see, and this 12.5, we will do this one. Right plane, sketch, activate line tool, and let's say I am going to start with from here. Draw a horizontal line, draw a little taper, then again taper, and connect. Right click, choose, select and exit. Okay, make sure these lines horizontal. Okay, let me select construction line, smart dimension. Now this diameter how much? 31. Now this diameter we calculated 18. This is complicated, you must know the things. Okay. Now distance from here to here 26. Okay, total distance 60. Okay, now angle, come to the angle 118 degree. Okay, now let's make something like this. Now these angle shows 6 degree. 6 degree. Okay. Now our drawing seems fully defined. Go to revolve features and activate revolve boss base feature. Now due to this construction line, the profile is open. So system asks, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now by default, system took this center line as the axis of revolution, and we need a complete body. So here we need to apply angle 360 degree. End condition keep blind. Direction you can change, no problem. That's it. Now again I am going to choose front plane, right plane, sketch. Again activate line tool. Now we need to cut. Make sure these points should be coincide. Smart dimension. Now the radius, diameter 28 divided by 2, 14. See, if you don't have a construction line, it will not show you diameter. It will show you only radius. So 12.5 divided by 2. Okay, this one 30. Now we need to remove material. So go to feature and activate here revolve cut feature. Okay, here you have to define center line. So I'm going to select this one line. You will see the preview. We need to cut 360 degree, a complete circular. Keep end condition blind and say yes, and you will see. Now we need to add this one. This is square. You will see here in this section view 14.5 this width, and the vertical length you will see in here, you will see 15 millimeter. There is a 10 diameter hole, and okay, first you need to create a plane. On that plane you can create this one 68 angle, 19 from this end to here, and 18 from center to this center. Okay, then corner radius, this corner radius R3, and there is a fillet R2, these two. Okay, so right plane sketch, activate here center line, just draw like this. Smart dimension, let's define first angle. (68), 19, and distance from here to this line 18. Now simply exit. Now create a plane. Activate drop down plane, and first reference I am going to choose this line, and second reference select this point, end point. You will see the plane is going to create at the perpendicular to this line. You will see. Okay, now select the plane, sketch. Now here I am going to select center rectangle. Let's define. Now this distance given 14.5, the vertical length 15, and it is, let's do one thing. Now select this line and select, hold shift key, select the center point and make pierce coincide. Okay, let's try to again connect center to center. Okay, coincident, normal view, fillet, and this is going to be 3 millimeter radius. Select all edges, see, okay, cancel. Okay, now let's do one more thing. Let's add hole dimension also here, and the hole diameter 10 millimeter. Okay, go to feature and activate extruded boss base, reverse, and choose selected contour and select this outer edge. Now see, select outer line so that the whole body going to, and here I am going to choose up to next. If I am going to choose up to next, this is going to consider this face as a next face. So this is going to apply on this face. Say okay. Now click plane, hide. Again, drop down the menu, choose sketch, extruded cut. Now this time go to again selected contour and move cursor, and you will click this highlighted area, and here I am going to, again I am going to choose up to next. Next means you will see inside face. Okay. Now let me hide this sketch. See. Now select right plane, section view. Okay. Look, this is what we achieve. Fillet. Keep fillet type constant type, size, show selection, symmetric, and radius 2 millimeter. I am going to select one, this corner 2 millimeter, and this corner also 2 millimeter. Okay. And see. Now let's add this upper body. You will see this upper body. Okay. We will observe upper body. Okay. From this mid plane or top plane, the distance from upper body to here 54 millimeter. Okay. Then we need to make this body in two part. Let's check which one is going to be first. 27. Okay. Now from mid plane to here, it's going to be 27, and 54 minus 27, the upper one. So this is going to be 27 millimeter. Okay. Now let's see detail view A. Okay. We need to create this one. 35, 28. Radius 10, this corner 10. There is offset for fin. Okay. Now this is the whole distance from this end, and there is an angle between this. See, 27, 3.7, and you will see this portion 6 degree inside tapered. You will observe here. Okay, let's do this first. Top plane, and make 54 millimeter from center to up here. Okay. Now select the plane, sketch. Okay. Now narrow portion this side. Okay. For reference, I am going to select this point. Select the midpoint. Now select this line, horizontal or vertical. Now we selected midpoint. Now select this line, uncheck construction geometry, line. Again we need to define. Select this line to find out midpoint. once midpoint find, select this line vertical so that we will get perfect shape. 35. Now this is going to be 28. Okay. And let's select this line and select this end point, and you will see this triad. Select this one, and this is the angle 3.7. Enter. That's fine. And select this line, shift key, this line, make collinear. Look, this seems fully defined. Now first 12 millimeter and 12 millimeter this side. Select these two corners. Say yes. Yes. Say yes here. Now again change corner fillet 10 millimeter. Select these two ends. Yes. Yes. Okay. Cancel. Now here I am going to choose offset 2 millimeter and select this one. And here select reverse. Make sure this is going to be inside. Cancel it. Now we forget to do, this is going to be 28. Okay. Offset 2 millimeters. Select this one. Here choose reverse and here choose select chain, so that if we choose any one line, it will select all line which is connected to this. Say okay. Now we need to extrude internal one. Extruded boss base. Go to selected contour and keep cursor inside and see the inside one selected. From direction 1 change direction. Here choose blind and length 27 minus 54. So this is going to be 54 minus 27, 27 millimeter. Say okay. Again select this face, sketch, convert entity, extruded boss base. Now this time choose next, but here apply angle 6 degree. You will see the preview 6 degree. It's going inside. See. Now let's add fins. If you need to count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 12 fins, and this fins going to start from, where is the fin dimensions? Oh, you will observe from here. Now see, from fins dimension to here 23. Okay, total length 54 minus 30.5 minus 23. 0.5. So there is a gap 0.5. Then this thickness of fin 1 millimeter and the gap also 1 millimeter. Total number of fins 12. Keep in mind. Hide. Now drop down and select this sketch, this one, extruded boss base. Okay, now these ribs are going to select, make it 1 millimeter reverse, make it downward side, and start condition offset. We calculated 0.5. You will observe here, this is moving upside, just reverse. I am going to show you from this way. Okay, look, 0.5 millimeter from here, 1 millimeter down. Okay. Linear pattern. For direction, I am going to select this vertical line. Now here rib already selected. Now spacing. Let's say the space between 2 millimeter and 12 rib. You will see the preview. See 1 millimeter, that 2 millimeter is gap between two rib. Okay. So total 1 millimeter. You will see the preview. That's it. Select. Now here we need to make hole. This hole diameter 19, and this is going to center distance 18.5. Okay, this is not in one line, so select this one, hold shift key, select origin point in one line. Okay, this looks fully defined. Extruded cut. Okay, here you can choose end condition up to next. Next means this inside face. Even there is one more option, up to surface. Select internal surface. Say OK. That's it. Now, you will see at this end there are fins. Now this fin center diameter 36. Now let's check these fins. Outer radius R3, internal hole diameter 3, angle 40, and this angle from center 45. Okay, and thickness you will observe here 3 millimeter. Okay, now this corner fillet 1 millimeter and rest fillet, this outer one 0.5. You will observe here, see 0.5. Now select this face, sketch. Now let's draw one center line. Let's connect somewhere here, something like this. Make it 45 degree. Select this outer circle, convert entity. Okay, make little outside this circle, this collinear. Activate line, and I am going to start somewhere here outside. Then go back to the point and see the line is converted into arc, and connect somewhere here. Exit. Now select this point, tangent. Now select this circle center point and this point coincide. Okay, drag this one here. Okay, trim entity, power trim. Just press left mouse, this one, trim this one, trim this one. Okay, smart dimension. Okay, before going to apply any smart dimension, okay, let me select these line, select these two, and make relation symmetric. Important relation, circle, smart dimension. Now this radius 3 millimeter, diameter 3 millimeter, and this radius, angle 40 degree. Fine, circle. This is for construction. Smart dimension 36. Okay, now we have our required geometry. Extruded boss base. This is going to be 3 millimeter. And look, this is moving outside, reverse. Okay. Fillet 1 millimeter, and I am going to select these two ends and back side. Fine. Circular pattern. There are 4 number of these patterns. Keep equal spacing, 364 number of. Now here I am going to select this one and this fillet, both selected here. Now direction, select this circular body, and you will see there are 4 body going to create. Say yes. Again fillet, constant type fillet, radius 0.5, and select this outer edge. Select this one. Okay. Sorry, this fillet. External only applied. Now let's add rib. You will see in detail view there are 3 number of ribs. 1, 2, 3. This rib center diameter 23, rib radius 1. Okay. This is the detail view. Even if you see in, look, there is a rib. See, this rib corner radius R2. And there are only 3 ribs. There is no at center rib. So I am going to select this face, sketch. Now select this outer circle, convert entity. Draw one circle for construction. Again I select line. Go back to the point and see the line is converted into. Okay, let me select this line, uncheck construction and make it real line. Okay, horizontal, make this one also horizontal. Tangent, tangent. Select this line and this point. Okay, do one thing, just connect this. Merge. Radius 1. Trim entity, power trim, just trim this line and select this outer. Okay, the only what else balance? Okay, this radius 23. Look, exit. Now top plane sketch, activate line and start with this center point, normal, and connect with this. Now here create one relation, select this outer edge, hold shift key, select this line, parallel. Look, it seems fully defined. Exit. Now let's see. Go to Shift Boss Base, sketch profile, first profile. So I'm going to select this profile. Now path. I'm going to select this path. You will see the preview. Simply in option you don't need to change anything. Fillet. This corner fillet shows 2 millimeter constant type fillet, and I'm going to select one edge, and this is going to cover all. Say OK. Circular pattern. Now here we need to select this feature, and see, fillet and swept both. Here this is the important 180 degree. We need 3 patterns in 180 degree. There is no pattern at top side, only 3. Now select circular edge. Oh, this only 3. Reverse. Now let's check the preview. You will see 1, 2, 3. Say OK. And here we go. Look. Now right plane, section, normal. OK. Evaluate, measure. Select this point and select this point. Now look, the distance according to drawing 21.5. See, after adding ribs, this is going to be 21.5. This is what we achieve. Okay, this is complicated part, that's why I told. Save as single cylinder engine block. Okay, let me uncheck now. This looks better view. Now let's check this center. Okay, you will see here 5 millimeter thick rib. This rib dimension you will observe this bottom view 30, 45, and distance from this edge 12.5 from this hole, this center hole. Okay, remember this one, this is important. Then this rib outer radius 3, then there are 4 holes with 3 diameter, and this corner 0.5. All corners you will see here. Okay, you will observe here 43. Top plane, sketch, center rectangle, smart dimension 43, 30. Okay, now let's select this center point, origin point, make in one line, vertical. Okay, now select this point, smart point, smart dimension, this one, and distance from this circle. This is important, 12.5. Look, this is the important dimension. And corner radius also, fillet 3 millimeter, and select this all. And even we need to add some hole at this corner. Okay. Okay, we will add hole later. Extruded boss base. Now keep end condition mid plane, make 5. Material flow half up, half down. Say OK. Now there is unwanted thing inside. Go to editing and search here delete face. Delete and patch. Now let me select this face which I want to delete, and select from this side. Now this 4, OK, and here we see we delete it. Fillet, constant type fillet 0.5. Now let me select this all edges. Similarly, I am going to select this. Even you can choose hidden edges also. Just simply keep cursor on the hidden line. And this is also going to be fillet. Same 0.5, and now let me select this. Clear. These edge balance. Okay. Now let's apply separately to this. Okay, 0.5. Sometime difficult to achieve, but we did. Now let's add hole with the help of hole wizard. Simply choose here hole. Standard, any standard, let's say metric, drill size, and hole select here 3 mm. And here up to next is the better option. Position. Now select this face. Now place the hole at center point of this corner. At all 4 corners. Just keep cursor over edge, you will see a center punch. Right click, choose select and exit. Let's check isometric view. Say OK. And here we go. Now let's add this flange. You will see here center to center distance 41, our outer radius 4.5. There is a hole 3 diameter. Okay, this important thing here, the location for this. Now look, this location 15.5 from this face to center line, and from this line to this 19.5. This is important, okay? And distance 37 from top plane. And how long we need to extrude? You will see section D. This is the section D. 18.5 we need to extrude. Then later we need to make one cutout. This radius 19, 40, 40, 30 and 3 millimeter between center to here gap. This is important. And this cutout, how long? You need to see here. Let's check anywhere bell. Oh, see, this cutout 6 millimeter. The internal radius also there. So I am going to select right plane. Now I am going to choose here straight slot. Okay, circle. Let's add 2 circle at both corner. Now both equal. Smart dimension 4.5 outer radius, inner diameter 3. Now center to center distance 41. Now location, if let's drop one center line, create one line from this end to this end. Okay, make sure connect this end. Connect center line to center line of what we created. See, you will see a dotted line. This is the center line or mid line, sorry, midpoint. Now select this line vertical. Oh no, this is shifted here. Make sure you have to shift at OK. Perfectly. Smart dimension. Now distance from mid plane top plane to 37. Okay, look, this is fully defined sketch. Extruded boss base. Keep one direction. Now this length 18.5, make it reverse. See, now let's create a plane. I want to make one cutout at center, so we have to create one mid plane. Now mid plane created, just select up and down and you will see there is a mid plane. Now select this sketch, plane sketch. Now circle, let's draw one circle, same diameter, 19. Okay, what we can do, let me create one. Fine, and I connect one line from here to here. Now select this line and select this point, midpoint. This is important relation, 3-point arc. Connect from here to somewhere here. Similarly, I am again going to connect. Okay, this is important. 30. 40 radius. Similarly, this side, 40 radius. Now distance from here to this center point, 3 millimeter. Look. Similarly, this end also. So select this end point and this end point. Okay. Trim entity. Make sure power trim. Just delete this line. Don't see any unnecessary line. Just trimmed if you found any. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we have one closed geometry. Extruded cut. Okay, just check. Here keep mid plane and the thickness only 6 millimeter. Just rotate. Okay, now you will see 3 millimeter down, 3 millimeter up. Say okay. Now we did. Now let's click plane, hide. But there is a still problem. Some material going to add here. So we need to delete this. Sketch. Select this outer circle, convert entity. Extruded cut. Now we need to cut. How we are going to select those things? Okay. Now we can see here. Select this face. Up to surface. Select here surface, select this surface. Say okay. And here we go. See? Clear. Select this plane, just drop down and see the cutout. Okay. Look, this is what our aim to cut. See? Fillet. 0.5. Select both side this edge. Say okay. That's it. Now we achieved. Now real view, add material, steel, let's check aluminium alloy, no sorry, copper alloy. There is a brass, and 8500 kg per cubic meter. Let's say apply, and here see, this is we applied. Close. Look, if you want to change the preview or something, brush finished we have, or brass, cast brass. See, now we achieve what we need. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. This is little complicated, but this is a good example. Thanks for watching.